Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the Shopify admin and finding the exact order. Use the order ID or customer email to speed it up. Once located, inspect the status. Is it unfulfilled, fulfilled, or partially fulfilled? And check whether payment was captured. Do this because canceling impacts inventory and refunds. Make sure you understand whether you need to restock items, refund money, or void transactions. Start the cancel flow only after those checks are clear, so you avoid later reconciliation work. Now you act. Open the order detail and choose cancel order or more actions than cancel. Carefully choose restock options. Restock if inventory should return available, otherwise leave as sold. Next, set refund amounts, full, partial, or zero. Adjust shipping and tax lines if necessary so your ledger stays accurate. If payment was captured, issue the refund through Shopify or your gateway. Do it here to trigger the correct accounting. Keep clear notes for the customer and your records as you complete this middle section. Finish by reviewing the cancellation summary and sending the customer the cancellation notice so expectations are clear. Make a concise note explaining why you canceled and what refunds or restocks occurred. That helps later auditing. If a refund fails, check the payment gateway status, retry from Shopify, or process a manual refund with the provider. This happens when captures or holds are involved. Finally, audit inventory and financial reports to confirm everything reconciles. That prevents surprises at month end.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.